So, have you ever been driving along and seen the airport runway? And you wonder, what would it be like to take my car out on that stretch of asphalt and just see what it can do? Well, recently, I got the chance. I was hanging out with a local Porsche group, and we were supposed to meet up at a small airport. I talked to the guy who ran the airport, and kind of got permission to go play on the runway until the rest of the group showed up. This would be the runway, this is the edge of it. Just 100 there. Let's see, we can go down here to the far end. There's a little bump in the runway.
I saw that. Dude, your car is awesome. You should let me borrow your phone and film you go by.
Okay.
How badass this car sounds and looks when it goes by.
You don't have to do anything?
Nothing.
No.
So we're rolling right now.
Yep.
All right, here we go. Badass. I heard you, and I don't have any way to communicate except flag him down.
Okay, yeah, when he comes back up, that'll have to be it.
Yes, sir. I know he's going to do a pass, and then I'm going to tell him. I know. I can't do anything about it, but I'm not going to let him do it again. We got airplanes. There you go, MTV style. I hope that's.
Please remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and feel free to comment at the bottom. If you have any ideas on what we can do for future videos, in addition to the Mazda Miata race car, feel free to comment and let us know. Thank you.